So you're going to be working on an All About Me word cloud, and I'd like to explain the directions for you so that you're going to be as successful as you can be in completing this task. So let's minimize my video down into the corner. This is my word cloud that you can see here on the Canvas page that I've created, and I'm going to show you now how you can do yours. So you're going to be going to a website that is titled wordclouds.com, and when you get to wordclouds.com, you're going to click on Wizard. And when you get to Wizard, you'll click on Type or Paste Text. Here's where you're going to write your short essay. You're going to write sentences that tell me about your biography, where you were born, how many brothers and sisters you have, where your family is from, as much information as you'd like to tell me about who you are, you're going to type that in here. You're also going to include characteristics and attributes, whether you're an athlete, a gamer, whether you're a kind person or a creative person, a ballerina or a gymnast, a runner. All of those words that you would use to describe yourself, you're going to include as well. You can add those into sentences. I am a baseball player. I like to paint, and so forth. And then the last set of sentences you want to include are your aspirations, things that you want for yourself, goals that you have. I want to travel. I want to get straight A's. I want to be in the magnet program at Howard Bishop. All of the information of your hopes and dreams is what you'll add towards the end. After you write all of these words, and so for this activity, I'm just going to say words, 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 words. After you've written all those words down, you'll hit apply. And then it's just giving you a pop-up to let you know that you can now manipulate all of those words into different ways. And so I'm going to show you. Right now all I have is words, sadly, because I didn't put much in there. But you can change the shape that the words are going to look. So I can put them into a cat, or I could do it as a heart. I get to change that. I get to change the theme of how it's going to look in the background. Will it have a white background, or will it have a darker background? And I also get to choose what font I want it to look like. And I can go through and decide which one of these fonts that I prefer the most and then select it. Now again, all I've done here is one word. I wrote words, so you're not seeing a very big picture. But this is a better one. This shows you all of the words that I put in, and it also tried to put it in the shape of an apple as best as it could. The more words that you add, the more fulfilled it will look like for that image. Now, after you're done making your word cloud, you are going to go to File, and you are going to save the image as. And so you can hit Save Image As. You're going to title it your name, Riza Perdomo Word Cloud, or your name and Word Cloud, and you're going to save it as a PDF. And then you'll hit the button Save. Okay, so that's going to give you your work, and then I'll show you how you're going to upload that on Canvas next.